Most people believe true financial freedom is only for the lucky few. This daily $500 income is not a dream, but a detailed system I use myself. It relies on a very specific approach. Selling just one high value digital product, I target items that offer a full $500 commission per sale. Think about that, just one sale, and you hit your daily $500 goal, or even two sales of a $250 product will get you there. My entire system pivots around this single high ticket item. The first step is product selection. I spend about 7 days just finding the perfect offer. It must be something truly valuable, something that helps people solve a real problem. For example, a course on advanced digital marketing, or perhaps a software tool that saves businesses hundreds of hours. Once the product is chosen, I move to phase two. This phase involves building the sales funnel. I use a simple landing page. It has a headline, a short video, and a call to action. This page takes about 3 days to fully set up. The cost for my funnel software is usually $97 per month, but you can find free trial versions for the first 30 days. After the landing page is live, I build out an email sequence. This sequence has 5 emails. They are sent over 5 days. Each email offers more value and gently pushes towards the product. Writing these 5 emails takes me another 3 days. Total setup time is around 13 days. That is 2 weeks plus 1 day. The cost so far is $0 if you use trials, or $97 if you jump straight in. Now for traffic, this is where many people fail. They think they need thousands of visitors. But with a high ticket item, you do not. My goal is just 200 visitors every single day. Sounds simple, right? It requires consistency. I break traffic generation into 3 main pillars. Pillar number 1 is short form video content. I create 3 short videos every 24 hours. Each video is between 15 and 30 seconds long. I post them on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. These videos talk about the problem the product solves, not the product itself directly. Each video averages about 1,000 views, and for every 100 views, I get around 2 clicks to my landing page. So 3 videos give me 6 clicks. That is a small start. Pillar number 2 is long-form written content. I write 1 detailed blog post every 2 days. These posts are usually 2,000 words or more. They are optimized for search engines. They answer common questions related to the product solution. For instance, if the product is a marketing course, I might write about how to get more clients for free, or 5 ways to improve your social media presence. After about 60 days, these articles start ranking. Each article can bring in 50 to 100 organic visitors a day. If I have 10 articles live after 60 days, I might get 500 visitors daily just from organic search. But this takes time, 2 months minimum for real traction. So for immediate results, I use pillar number 3, paid advertising. I dedicate $60 every day to paid ads. My preferred platform is Facebook or Google Ads. I create 3 different ad variations. Each ad targets a slightly different audience segment. I test them for 3 days, then I pick the best performing ad. My cost per click often hovers around 50 cents, so $60 in ad spend gives me 120 clicks to my landing page. Let us sum this up for daily visitors. 6 clicks from social media videos, 50 clicks from aged organic articles, 120 clicks from paid ads. This gives me around 176 visitors daily. Let us use 176 visitors as our average for calculations. My sales funnel converts at 1.5% directly from traffic to sales for the high ticket item. This is much more aggressive. So 1.5% of 176 visitors means 2.64 sales. Let us just say 3 sales. This is 3 sales of a $250 product. That is $750 revenue. From that, I subtract $60 for ad spend. Leave $690 pure profit. My daily ad spend is $60. My daily effort involves 3 short videos, 1 blog post every 2 days, monitoring ad performance for about 30 minutes, and engaging with my email subscribers. Total time investment per day is around 2 hours, 1 hour for content creation, 30 minutes for ad management, 30 minutes for email engagement and strategy tweaks. This system is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It needs consistent effort for at least 3 to 4 months. The first 30 days are about setting everything up and testing. You might lose money on ads during this first month. Expect to invest around $5,691 over the first 3 months. This covers the monthly $97 funnel software and the $60 daily ad spend for 90 days. During these initial 90 days, you are building momentum. You are getting those first few sales. You are gathering data, After the first 90 days, my system typically starts showing consistent $690 daily profits. This is when it really takes off. I continuously test new ad creatives, I write more detailed articles, I branch out to new social media platforms. For example, I might start posting on LinkedIn or even explore Pinterest for more visual content. The goal is to scale. If I increase my ad spend to $100 a day, I get 200 clicks, total daily visitors. 6 plus 50 plus 200 equals 256 visitors. 1.5% conversion rate equals 3.84 sales. Let us say 4 sales. 4 sales times $250 is $1,000 revenue, $100 ad spend. Net profit, $900 daily. This is a proven model, it is repeatable, and it does not require a large team. Just one dedicated person can manage this. I usually check my metrics 3 times a day, once in the morning, once at lunchtime, and once before going to bed. This helps me quickly spot any drops in performance or opportunities to optimize. I track my clicks, my conversion rates, my email open rates, and my sales figures. All of this data helps me make informed decisions. For instance, if my click-through rate on ads drops from 2% to 1%, I immediately change the ad copy or the image, sometimes even the audience targeting. This is a game of constant refinement. It is not about luck. It is about numbers and persistence. And knowing exactly what to do, the $500 target is easily achievable. With my refined $60 ad spend strategy, it is actually $690 net. That is an extra $190 beyond the initial target. Many people get stuck thinking they need a perfect product or a massive following. You just need one solid offer, a simple funnel, and consistent traffic generation, especially focusing on paid traffic early on. The organic traffic is a bonus that builds over time. Think about this. 3 short videos every day, 1 2,000-word article every 2 days, $60 in daily ad spend. About 2 hours of work and a consistent net income of $690 every single day. This translates to nearly $20,700 every 30 days. My monthly expenses stay low. $97 for software, $1,800 for ad spend. So total expenses are $1,897. My monthly profit is $20,700 minus $1,897. That equals $18,803. That is a significant income for just 2 hours of focused work each day. It is not complex. It is just a series of very specific steps executed consistently. I've been doing this for over 3 years, and the principles remain the same. The tools might change, the platforms might evolve, but the core strategy holds strong. The key takeaway is volume of high-quality leads and an offer that converts well. Do not overcomplicate it with 10 different products. Focus on one, master that one. Then scale it up. You can even outsource some of the video creation or article writing once your profits are consistent. Many freelancers charge around $50 for a 2,000-word article and $20 for a set of 3 short videos. If I outsource 1 article a day and 3 videos a day, that is $70, but I only write every 2 days, so $35 per day for content outsourcing on average. My $690 profit after $35 outsourcing would be $655. This is still well above the $500 goal. It frees up even more of my time, allowing me to focus on strategic growth, like finding a second high-ticket product or expanding into a new niche. The possibilities are vast, but always remember the core numbers: 1 solid product, 1.5% conversion, $60 ad spend, 2 hours daily work, $690 net profit. It really is that straightforward. No hidden tricks, just persistent application of a proven formula. The total daily visitors target of 176 is critical, and achieving that mix of social, organic, and paid traffic is key. My current ad campaign has been running for 8 weeks without major changes. It targets people interested in online entrepreneurship and digital marketing tools. The age range is typically 25 to 55 years old, mostly evenly split between men and women. I monitor the return on ad spend very closely. My current ROAS is around 750%, meaning for every $1 I spend, I get $7.50 back. This is what makes the $60 daily ad budget so profitable. It is efficient, it is predictable, and it is scalable. If I wanted to push to $1,000 daily profit, I would increase ad spend to around $80 and focus on optimizing the landing page conversion to 2%. That would give me $800 revenue for every $50 ad spend. Or if I aim for 2% conversion on my 176 visitors daily, that would be 3.52 sales. Let us say 3.5 sales times $250 is $875 revenue. Minus $60 ad spend, net profit $815. This shows how small tweaks, like a 0.5% increase in conversion, can have a massive impact on the bottom line. It is all about the little adjustments. Over time, this system is robust. It withstands minor market shifts because it focuses on fundamental principles of value and traffic. So go ahead, take these numbers, and implement them. It truly works. I also test new headlines on my landing page every 5 days. Earn small changes like adding a specific benefit to the headline can boost conversion rates by 0.5% overnight. I use A/B testing software that costs $29 monthly. This helps me optimize every element. From button colors to video length, I track all interactions. Over 20 unique data points are analyzed daily. This continuous optimization is key to maintaining high profits and even increasing them beyond the $690 daily mark. It is not just about getting traffic. It is about making that traffic work hard. My goal is always to maximize the value of every single visitor who lands on my page.